We went with this 7-in-1 convertible lifestyle crib. Went with this because it turns into a bed afterwards. So hopefully we're going to get many years of life out of this, and just buying it for maybe a year or two. This thing should last us like maybe 5 years. So it's going to be better bang for our dollar. But this is what I'm getting ready to unbox for you guys and put together. See some of the stuff that you can use it as. I got this off of Amazon, so I will list it in the description. And we got a mattress as well.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
The bed, you can actually raise it if you want it higher. So move all four of these up You can put him at different heights. We're probably going to put it up here since he's still a baby, so we don't have to reach down in there as far. And then when he grows, just take off one of these and it'll be more like a day bed, the back, and you can take off that part too. But yeah, it looks pretty big and it's sturdy. It comes with this bottom bar, because if in the future when he outgrows this and you want to take this rail off, you put that bottom bar right here to give it that support. Without that, these sides are going to be weak. So you will have to keep this